Once you log into Deel, configuring policies to ensure punctuality and accuracy in your payroll runs is super straightforward. You've got two quick ways to get to it. The first is through organization settings. From the home page, click the settings icon in the top right corner, select entities, pick the entity you want to work with, and then go to the payroll policies tab. That's where all the policies for that specific entity live. The second way is from the global payroll page itself. From the payroll cycle detail page, click the three dots menu in the top right and choose Entity Settings. That takes you directly into the Entity Settings page so you can navigate to payroll policies. Super handy if you're already reviewing a cycle and want to adjust the rules on the spot. Now click Create Policy. Start by giving your policy a name and a description, then choose which part of the payroll flow it applies to. You can pick either payroll inputs submission or outputs package approval. Next, decide whether you want this to be a manual or automatic approval policy. If you choose manual, you can specify the roles or individual users who need to review payroll before the inputs are ready for processing or before the package is fully approved and the cycle is ready to move to payment stage. If you choose automatic, you'll define the maximum total cost variance allowed compared to the previous cycle. If costs go above the limit, manual submission or approval will be required instead. If costs stay within that threshold, the payroll is automatically submitted or approved on the due date. Next, make sure notifications are enabled so approvers are notified by email when a cycle needs their review and requesters are notified once a cycle is approved. When you're ready, click Create Policy, and voila, your policy is saved and will automatically apply to all new payroll cycles. Once a submission policy is in place, your next payroll run adjusts automatically. If the total cost variance stays within your limit, the cycle will auto-submit on the due date. But if the variance exceeds the threshold, assigned approvers will be notified right away. Once submission is approved by all, cycle will move to the processing stage.